Hi, Tony here. I am underneath the shade of a beautiful, mature. They have very wonderful, lush, evergreen foliage, weeping foliage, very beautiful, with a really coarse bark. We'll go around and let you take a look. At some of the weeping foliage and the coarse bark. And I'm going to come out a bit further from the tree so that you can see it behind me. See up there, it's very full, very mature tree. Cryptomeria, which is a Japanese cedar, great specimen. If it was helpful to you to see some of these mature trees, what they look like before you plant them in your landscape, please click like and subscribe, and I'll keep those coming to you. Thanks. We'll see you again.